Hello everyone, this is Medhaj Vaksaure. Welcome to Medhaj Educare. So the topic of today's video is a very important topic, and it is too much important for engineering aspirants, first year engineering students, and second year as well as a third year student also follow the tips which I am going to provide in this particular video. So the topic of video is a roadmap from first year to last year to get a good placement or a placement with a better package in the last year. So this particular roadmap should be followed by the first year student who is studying engineering in the first year, and he had to follow this particular roadmap. The mistakes which I had done in my engineering life, that should not be happen from my juniors, is the only motto behind creating this particular video. So let us start with the topic and move to the laptop screen. So let us start with this particular video. From first year to last year, we are going to see the roadmap for a best placement with a best package. So when you are admitting in the first year of engineering, or you took admission in the first year of engineering, what you have to do? So when you are in the first year, first thing you have to do when you are in the first year of engineering, the first thing the student should do is aptitude. You have to do the regular aptitude practice, the learn aptitude topics from a very scratch. Each and every topic from the aptitude you have to learn from a very scratch, and do the command over the aptitude, and you have to become aptitude king when you are in the first year of engineering. Aptitude is a very important. Means as all of you guys, you know that uh, for the placement drive, either it is off campus, either it is in campus, either it is a full campus. Generally there are the three rounds of placement drive. First one of them is aptitude, second one of them is a coding round, technical round, depend on that particular company, and last round is the HR round. But if you are don't able to clear the aptitude round, you are don't going to enter into the second round, that is a technical round or a coding round. So aptitude is the most important while appearing for the placement trial. You have to learn all the topics from very scratch when you are in the first year of engineering. The second thing the engineering students in the first year have to do, that they have to study the web development. They have to study the web development. So the purpose of learning web development in the first year, I will going to discuss in the second year of engineering, why the student have to learn the web development in first year only. So in the web development, what things you have to learn? You have to learn the HTML, you have to learn CSS, you have to learn JavaScript, you have to learn JavaScript, you have to learn any database such as SQL. So all these things you have to learn in the web development and in the first year of engineering. And this thing you are doing apart from your academic subject, and also in the first year you have to you have to focus on academic subject, which is a very important thing because students are freshers in the engineering, and they don't have any experience how to write the university examination paper. So many students get failed in the first year of engineering, or they dealing with the backlogs, many backlogs. So to avoid this particular thing, you have to mainly focus on your academic subject. You have to clear that particular subject. Means the difficulty level of first year engineering subject are slightly higher than remaining 3 year of engineering subject. So it will give you a slight pain while preparing for a placement, and also focus on the academic subject. So apart from academics, you have to do these two particular thing, and while doing these two things, you have to also focus on academic and clear the first year engineering's academic subject. While you are in the second year, there should not be while you are in the second year, there should not be any backlog from the first year of engineering. You have to take special care to avoid the backlogs in every year of engineering. So in second year, what things you have to do? First thing you have to do in the second year of engineering, that you have to practice aptitude question aptitude question 1 hour per day. You have learned each and every topic from a very scratch. When you are in the first year of engineering, you have learned each and every topic of aptitude from very scratch, but practice is very important for aptitude. So we have to you have to uh, practice aptitude 1 hour per day when you are in the second year of engineering. So in the second year of engineering, you have to do the programming language. You have to deal with the programming language. You have to study the programming language. The first programming language you have to do, that is a C language. Compulsorily you have to do C language, because it will going to help you to increase your logical part, how the things happen internally. That will help with how the things happen internally. You get a more clarity about that particular things when you are learning the C language firstly. After learning the C language, you have to go for any object oriented programming language such as C++, Java, or Python. C++, Java, or Python. You have to learn any one of this particular programming language. Don't go for every programming language, or don't learn each and every programming language. Just learn uh, any one from this particular language. Choice is yours. After learning programming language, the third thing you have to do in the second year of engineering, that you have to do participation in the hackathons and the coding contest or hackathons. Participation in hackathons, it is a very important thing, and it will definitely increase the weightage of your resume when you are in the last year of engineering. Very important thing, you have to participate in the hackathons. Next thing you have to do, participate in the extracurricular activities and enjoy your college life. Participate in extracurricular activities. Don't you have to do not only deal with the study, but you have to also participate in extracurricular activity, which will help you to developing your personality, which is a very important for placement. Development of personality, which is very important for your placement. Extracurricular activities will help you to increase your stage daring and all that things which are dealing with the personality development. So all these things you have to do while you are in the second year of engineering. So when you pass the second year and you are entering into third year, so what things you have to do in the third year of engineering while preparing for the placement drives? First thing you have to do is the data structures and algorithm. For implementing the data structures and algorithm, you have to choose any one of the programming language from this you have to choose any one of the programming language. I will prefer generally uh, any one of the object oriented programming language that you had learned in the second year of engineering. You have to implement DSA, or you have to learn DSA using that particular programming language. If you have chosen C++ in the second year, then you have to study the DSA using C++. If you have chosen Java, then you have to learn DSA using Java, and in similar way. After learning the DSA, the second thing you have to do is that uh, do competitive programming, CP, competitive programming, which is a very important, and which will help you to develop your problem solving skill. Competitive programming you have to do after learning the DSA. So how should you do the competitive programming, and what is competitive programming? We will do separate video on this particular topic, but hacker rank, hacker rank, hacker rank is there, hacker rank, lit code is there. These are the competitive programming platforms. I will prefer go for lit code. User interface is a very easy and user friendly platform it is. So go for lit code, and generally many people prefer the lit code. So I am also preferring you to choose the lit code for doing the competitive programming. Then third thing you have to do internship. The third thing you have to do, go for internship. And The third most important thing you have to do in the third year of engineering is a internship. Find an internship on LinkedIn. Find an internship on LinkedIn, Naukri.com. Many platforms are there, or any references you have from the companies. Find internship through these three particular options and go for internship. It will give you the industrial experience. Also, you have to participate in the hackathons. Now you are very stronger candidate for participating in the hackathons. Make your team, that all the pillars of the team, means all the members in your particular team should be stronger. So they have the well technical skill, well presentation skill, and in this way you have to participate in the hackathon when you are in the third year of engineering. Yeah, and now it is time for a resume building. So of course your resume weightage is a very large, that because you had learned many things from first year of engineering to your third year of engineering. So this thing is a very important. Build your resume in a very good manner. How to build a good resume, I am going to make a separate video on this particular topic. So now you are in the last year of engineering, and when you are in the last year of engineering, so you have to revise all the topics that you had learned from first year to third year of engineering, and do only the important topics. Depend on a particular company, means take one of the example. When the Cognizant or a TCS, take example of a TCS is going to visit your campus for a campus placement. Then what thing you have to do, you have to do the only important topics which are very important for a TCS campus drive, or a previous year questions which are important from the for the TCS campus drive. So this thing you have to do, important thing you have to revise when you are in the last year of engineering. Second thing you have to do, uh, in campus placement drive will be there. Off campus placement drive is where we there in your particular college. So you have to uh, appear for those particular placement drives, and participate in that particular placement drive. 100% you will get a success if you had followed this particular roadmap from first year of engineering to last year of engineering. 100% you get success in the placement, and you get a placement with a higher package. So these particular things we had discussed in our today's video. Thank you for watching this particular video. If you like this video, press the like button. Kindly subscribe our channel for getting updates of upcoming videos, and share to the engineering student. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you once again.